How to fix iPhone app download stuck in waiting on home screen. So if you've been trying to download a certain app and it simply shows waiting on home screen, like just like this, and it shows kind of like just waiting or something like that, there are a couple of ways to actually fix it. Now first of all, just try to cancel that step. So long press on that app and cancel the download, and long press on it and remove the app from your home screen as well. And once you've done that, just make sure you're connected to the internet properly. Then you can simply open up your app store and try searching for that same app, and from there you can just try to reinstall that same application that was stuck on the home screen. This is most likely due to network issue, or maybe you close your app store like this. You can simply leave it on in the background and wait for the app to be fully installed. So this way you should be able to fix if the app is download stuck on home screen. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.